Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can bypass or like remove the GoGuardian on a school Chromebook. So what students have been doing is signing out of their computers, turning off internet, signing in, quickly opening a tab with Ctrl T, and 5, clicking the GoGuardian extension not licensed rapidly. And this is how it's possible to like remove it. So everybody do what this guy says, but when you are going to spam the access to files, spam it with ring, middle and pointer finger. Still clicking on a picture, going in and out. And I think I found this last year. So try it out.